Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix geometry dash not opening. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix or the first way that you can fix this is to check for the updates. So here's how you can check for Geometry Dash updates. So just go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Geometry Dash, and if you only see the open or install buttons, then most likely there isn't any update. So in this case, you must wait for the developers to release the latest version. Then next, what you can do here is to reinstall the app. So there are two ways to reinstall the app to see if it fixes the geometry dash not opening on iPhone issue. So first, just go to the settings menu and go to the general section. And once there, just scroll down and enter iPhone storage and look for the game via searching on the top search box. And then after that, just tap on to the app when you see it in the search results and press on the offload app. So let it delete the app, and now you will see install app instead of offload app. So just tap to install the app and open it to see if it works now, and if the game now functions, it is excellent and you are good to go. And so that's it for this video. Those are the two steps that you can do if you are having problem with opening your geometry app on your device. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell buttons so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.